Hey guys, me again. Time for math. We are on lesson 118, page 75 and page 76. Funny enough, this one has a snowman on it. Hopefully it is snowing and you could maybe build a snowman today. If not, have fun doing math. All right, directions. Number 1 says circle the spheres and cones. We are going to be talking about what a sphere is, what a cone is, and what a cylinder is. So this is a very small picture to show you on here, but I will be giving your parents a link that you can watch a video on YouTube that kind of goes into more detail about what a sphere, a cone, and a cylinder are. Basically, though, a sphere is a circle, but it's a circle that is fully round, like a basketball would be an example of a sphere, because you can 100% cover every side of it. And a circle is 360 degrees. You'll learn about that more later though. So right now, all we have to focus on are things that are spherical, which means they are a complete circle, but a full round shape. It has sides. It's not flat. So a circle, you can draw a flat circle on a piece of paper. But to draw a sphere, you have to make it look rounded, almost like it pops off the page. So on here, what are some things that might be a sphere? Well, our book says that a baseball is a sphere. Could you take a baseball in your hand and it be a completely round circle? Yep, I think they're right. The snowman has 3 spheres because it has 3 round shapes, as long as you make your snowman round. I've seen some square snowmans, I've seen some really wide snowmans, but if you have round snowballs, then yes, all 3 circles on the snowman would be circled. Oh, it's got an ice cream cone. Would an ice cream cone, the top of it, be a sphere? I think so. But what about the cone on the bottom? We also have to circle the cones because it says circle spheres and cones. Well, so we circle the cone too, but for a different reason. A cone looks like a triangle, but like we said, it's 3-dimensional, meaning it has sides. Can you hold a cone in your hand? Yes, you can. So we circle it. The next one, I'm going to guess are marbles. It's really hard to tell in this little picture, but I think it's a marble. Your picture has color, not just black and white like mine, so I think you'll be able to tell better than me if it's a marble or not. Tell me when we get back to school. So you're going to circle it because it's round. You could hold it in your hand, and it's a complete little marble. Let's see. Ooh, that's a Hershey's Kiss. Those are kind of like a triangle, but they're not flat, right? They have a complete shape. I want one of those. I don't have one. Ooh, a caution cone. We have those at school. We used to have one on the playground. Remember when we had the anthill and we put the caution cone on top of it? That has sides all the way around, and it's a cone. So we circle that. The last one is a big ball, maybe a workout ball. We had one of those. Remember when we had that in the school? We had a big workout ball. I think it popped though. We don't have it anymore. Lizzie has one in her room. Maybe I can get that out for next video. All right, so that one is circled. Then, when you get to number 2, you're writing the number before. So this one's number 48. What comes before 48? Use your number line if you need to. Make sure you're putting your finger on 48 and moving it that way. I hope this isn't backwards for you guys, but if it is, it's the number before. So it's the number to the left on your number line. All right, we do the same thing through the rest, and then we flip over to the back. The back is subtraction. So we're subtracting bigger numbers today. So we're doing 35 minus 3 for your first problem. So when you start at your number line, you're going to put your finger on 35. Is that zooming in right? Yep. 35, and you're going to go over to the left. 1, 2, 3. You're going to end up on 32. And that's your answer, 32. Keep doing that all the way through. Then, when you get to the bottom, it's talking about quarts, liters, cups, and gallons. And on the bottom, it's asking you how many quarts are in a gallon. So you're counting, seeing how many are in each one. You're just counting the pictures and putting it on the line until you get to the last one. That's asking you how many quarts are in 1 gallon. It's 4. I will show you this fun picture when we get back to school on how to remember quarts, gallons, and cups. And it doesn't have liters in it, it has pints, but we'll learn about that when we get back to school. If you have questions, ask your mom and dad. Hope you have a great, fun day. Enjoy math.